Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Quick Solvers. Here I want to find g of f of x, where f of x is 2 times x minus 1 over x plus 1, and g of x is 2 times x plus 2 over 2 minus x. The difficulty level of this question is hard. It's been shown by this red color here, and I think this is a good question for those preparing for SAT or ACT. So let's see how should we solve this. Well, if we are interested in g of f of x, then I should replace every x by f of x. That means I should replace this x by f of x and also replace this x by f of x. So let's do it to see how it looks like. So g of f of x equals 2 times f of x plus 2 over 2 minus f of x. Okay, and then in the next step I should replace every f of x here by the expression or by the definition of f of x. Okay, let's do it. We have g of f of x, which is 2 times f of x, and instead of f of x I'll replace that by the definition of f of x, which is 2x minus 1 over x plus 1. Okay, and then we have a 2 here. Then in denominator we have 2 minus f of x, which is 2 times x minus 1 over x plus 1. Well, you see that this is not quite clean and tidy. I need to clean it up. I need to distribute these 2 to this expression here. We need to find a common denominator for this 2 and this expression here. Also a common denominator for this and this. So let's do it step by step. Well, if I distribute these 2 to the expression here and then find a common denominator for this expression and this 2, it would be something like this. Well, if I distribute it, then it is 4 times x minus 2 over x plus 1 plus 2, okay? And the common denominator between these 2 and this expression here is x plus 1 because, well, it is actually 2 over 1, and the common denominator between this and this is their multiplication that gives us x plus 1, okay? So this equals 4 times x minus 2 over x plus 1 plus 2 times x plus 1 over x plus 1. And if I write it in a clean way, then we have x plus 1 in denominator, and we have 4 times x minus 2 plus, now I distribute this to this, 2x plus 2. Okay, and if I simplify this, I can rewrite this as 6 times x, and you see that this 2 and these 2 cancel out each other, and then in denominator we have x plus 1. Well, this is telling me that I can replace the whole expression here in numerator by 6 times x over x plus 1. So let's do it. Okay, I replace this by 6 times x over x plus 1. Now I can get rid of this. And now it's time to go through the same process for the denominator. I mean, for this expression here. Well, we have 2 times x minus 1 over x plus 1. We need to find a common denominator. Well, of course, this is 2 over 1. The common denominator between this and this is x plus 1. So this equals 2 times x plus 1 over x plus 1 minus 2 times x minus 1 over x plus 1. And I can rewrite that as 2 times x plus 2, if I distribute this, minus 2x, and this minus minus 1 is plus 1, okay? And in denominator we have x plus 1. And if I further simplify this, well, this 2x and 2x cancel out each other, and what is left is 3 over x plus 1. Okay, that means I can replace all the expression here by 3 over x plus 1. So let's do it. Okay, so I think we are almost done. So this is 3 over x plus 1. So this can be, well, by this I mean this expression here, 3 over x plus 1. So this is telling us that g of f of x equals 6 times x over x plus 1 over 3 over x plus 1. Okay, and this x plus 1 and this x plus 1 cancel out each other, so we have 6 times x over 3, which is equal to 2 times x. So I can write that g of f of x is 2 of x, and this is the final answer for this problem.